morning, students. How are you all? Myself, Gayatri Agarwal from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan presents you a new video of our chapter number 7, that is Riya's train got late. In our last chapter, we have learned that Riya is a girl who is going on a trip to Vapi with her parents, right? And she had also made a train friend and her name was Fiona. Fiona had got down at the Nadiad station, and after Fiona got down, Riya and her brother Himaksh, they felt asleep. Now we will move ahead from there. So, on what date did Riya started her journey? She started her journey on 28th May. Right, and today is 29th May. At what time? At around 5 o'clock in the morning. Right, what did Riya saw? We will learn today. I woke up. Our train halted at some platform. I sat and looked outside from the window. There was a clock hanging on the wall. It was 5 o'clock in the morning. Besides it, on the pillar, Vadodara Junction was written in the circled board. My brother was still sleeping. When Riya woke up, it was 5 o'clock in the morning. And how did she recognize the time? She saw the clock hanging there on the wall and it has struck the 5 o'clock. She also saw that a round circle board is there on the pillar on which it's written Vadodara Junction. This means Riya's train has stopped at Vadodara Junction in the morning at 5 o'clock. She also saw that her brother is sleeping. There was an instruction on mic that the trains running between Vadodara, Surat, Valsad, Vapi, Mumbai will be 2 hours late. What was Riya's train moving on? Riya's train was also moving on the same route. So, what instruction did Riya heard? Riya heard that her train will be running late. By how many hours? By 2 hours. Okay, so father said, brush your teeth. Meanwhile, I'm getting tea for you. This is what we do early in the morning. We get up, we brush our teeth, wash our face, go to the restroom and have our milk and breakfast. But as in train, we could not get proper milk. We drink tea. So, father instructed Riya to brush the teeth till the time he brings tea for them. Himaksh also got up. Himaksh and Riya went to the restroom. They brushed their teeth and completed their morning activities. At the same time, father came with tea and mother took out yummy items from her bag. And what were those yummy items we enjoy eating on train? They were theplas, khakras and biscuits. So mother has packed these things for breakfast to eat on their journey. When we completed our breakfast, it was daytime. Till the time Riya and Himaksh along with their parents, they had their tea and breakfast, it was a daytime. Means it must be approx after 5 o'clock, 1 an hour, after 2 an hour. So maybe 6:30, 7. Still there was time for the train to start. Father said, come, I will show you the facilities of the railway station. My brother and I got off from the train. Father said it's a long time for the train to move. So come down with me. I will show you some facilities of railway station. So Himaksh and Riya, they got down with their father. Father showed us facilities like ticket window, See, here it is. This is the ticket window. Okay. Ticket checkers room, waiting room. See, here waiting room is also given. Waiting room is used for the people whose train is late by any reason. So they wait here in the waiting room. Or the people whose relatives have not come yet to receive them and they don't know the way to reach the destination. They also wait in the waiting room. There is a parcel room. What is parcel room used for? Whatever parcels, whatever goods we transport from one place to another are kept in the parcel room. Then the one who is having the receipt will come to the parcel office and collect his or her parcel. There are toilets and bathrooms, facility for drinking water, and canteen. There is also a buggy service for the old aged people. They can sit in this electronic vehicle and reach to the platform they wanted to. And there is a bookstall also. There are some other facilities available on the railway station, and father showed all these kind of facilities to Himaksh and Riya. We saw many trains at the station from the bridge which was used for crossing one platform to another. What did Riya and Himaksh saw? Riya and Himaksh saw from the bridge. Have you ever visited to the railway station? You must have seen a overbridge by which we cross one platform to another. Right? They were standing on that bridge. And what did they saw? They saw there were so many trains standing at the platforms. They also saw railway staff pouring water from carriages and cleaning the train. Can you see? This is the way through which the water is supplied to the trains in the toilets and bathrooms. Then these are the railway workers who are cleaning the train, the tracks. This is the cleaning machine, a kind of vacuum cleaner which is used for cleaning the railway station. See the sweepers, they are wearing the uniform and cleaning the railway station, right? We had no idea how time flew during our visit the station. So they were so much involved in watching all the kinds of facilities on the railway station. They did not even imagine, they did not have an idea how the time passed by. Himaksh and Riya came to know more about the railway facilities and they enjoyed it also. Then Riya took photographs and videos of some of the facilities from her father's mobile. As she had already word with her friend Jia that she will collect all the pictures of the facilities she is going to see there, or whatever new things she will see there, she will take the photographs of the same and share it with her friend Jia. Then it was 7 o'clock in the morning when there was an instruction on the mic that the train going towards Mumbai would leave Vadodara within 2 minutes. So, Riya and Himaksh along with their father, they got into their carriage. Carriage means the train compartment in which they have been traveling since yesterday evening. The train started. It was morning. Atmosphere was very beautiful outside. Can you see behind? I have given the picture. The sun is shining very slightly and a beautiful yellowish scenery can be seen. Our train was passing level crossing where people were waiting on both the sides of crossing for the train to pass. What is level crossing? Can you see this picture? This yellow and black color bar which has been put on both the sides is known as railway crossing. Level crossing. This is a road from which the train has to pass. While the train passes this way, the people, they stand here. The people, they stand here like this and wait for the train to pass. As soon as the train passes, the guard who is here on the level crossing, he opens the gate and the people, they move from one side to another. So what kind of vehicles were there? There were buses, cars, auto rickshaws, cycles, scooters and goods truck, etc. vehicles were waiting. Some people did not switch off the engine of their vehicle. Due to this, there was a lot of smoke and noise in the atmosphere. Now, when the engine of the vehicle, it is not switched off, it continuously makes sound and releases the smoke, and it created a lot of air pollution and a lot of chaos in the atmosphere. Some people were crossing below the bars of the level crossing and stood near it. Can you see? This person, you can see he is standing here, very near to the level crossing. And this person with the bicycle is almost crossing the railway track while the train is coming from the back side. Even in this picture, you can see so many vehicles are standing at the level crossing and very near to the level crossing bar. Now children, it's very dangerous. Suppose if a train is moving in a high speed, it can get us carried away with it, and it is very dangerous. So we should never stand near the level crossing. We should off our engines so that there is less air pollution and lesser noise pollution. We should always follow the rules which are made by the government or while dealing with the railways. Okay? At the same time, our train crossed another train. Himaksh and I tried to count the carriages of one such train, but both trains were going very fast, so we could not count the carriages. What happened after that? You know that after that, two trains were passing nearby each other, like this. It's given in this picture, and Himaksh and Riya, they tried to count the carriages of the another train, but they were not able to count them. Why? Because the trains were running very fast and a loud noise was coming by the high speed of both the trains. Later, I was sitting near the window with my eyes closed. Riya was sitting on the window seat as she has got the reservation for the window seat. Her eyes were closed as she was enjoying the morning weather. Suddenly, the sound of the moving train changed. What happened? The movement of the train, the noise which was coming with the movement of the train, it got changed. What kind of noise came? Khud. I opened my eyes. Riya opened her eyes to see why the noise has got changed, why the sound of the train has got changed. Guess what I saw? What did Riya saw? Riya saw that her train was crossing over a big river. on a very long bridge. Mother said, "It is a bridge of Narmada River. This is the biggest river of Gujarat. Its water is given to far away areas through canal." So, why did the sound of the moving train changed? Because the train was passing through a very big railway bridge, crossing over a very big bridge on a river. And what river it was? It was the Narmada River. And this information was given by Riya's mother. What else Riya's mother said? Riya's mother said that this is the biggest river of Gujarat and water from this river is given to all the places of the water of this river is given to far away areas through canal. This river is also called as the lifeline of Gujarat. This river is also called as lifeline of Gujarat. Okay, so children, we will see in our next video that what else did Riya see on her journey. Till then, bye bye. See you. Meet you again.